A new housing scheme sited in the residential area of Ketu has been delivered by the administration of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu for officers in the state judicial arm of government. The inauguration of the 2 blocks of 3-bedroom apartments has brought some members of the judiciary sector, traditional rulers, amongst other dignitaries to the area where Governor Sanwo-Olu and his deputy joined them for the occasion. The Chief Judge of Lagos is delighted about the project and commends the government for strengthening the judiciary to function independently.
What brought about this is that it came to a point when our magistrates were being sued in their own courts and sometimes in the high courts for recovery of possession. You all know how embarrassing that could be. And so we cried to the governor, briefed him about the situation, and he said we must find something to do about it. In order to cut time short, this is the manifestation of the promise of Mr. Governor.
It is not just the housing scheme that has been provided for the state judiciary. A warehouse for seized goods is now available pending final determination of the court case. The Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice is grateful for the provision of infrastructure.
The Deputy Sheriff Warehouse is a vital addition to our judicial ecosystem. It is specifically designed to warehouse properties that are subject to execution of judgment of courts, but which judgment is subject of an appeal and stay of further execution, thereby suspending the sale of the property on behalf of the judgment creditor. Beyond the immediate judicial benefits, the warehouse also serves a critical economic function by ensuring the protection of property rights and preserving the value of investment subject of litigation.
Governor Sanwo-Olu describes the development as an affirmation of his administration's dedication to judicial reform and infrastructure development.
We're handing over very modest 34 flats of 3-bedroom each, 24 of it to our magistrates, cadre, and 10 just to support our counsel in the Ministry of Justice. For us, we see that as a necessary tool to ensure that the welfare of our officers, the welfare of the magistrates, of our judges, the welfare of the staff, the public officers of Lagos State is critical and is paramount to us. It's only when they have comfortable accommodation, comfortable welfare package that they can do their work dispassionately. They can do it without fear or favor. They can do it knowing fully well that government, at various times have their interests, fully at heart.
He also commissioned the Deputy Sheriff Warehouse in Ikorodu to provide a secure, organized, and professionally managed space where property under litigation will be properly stored, documented, and preserved, pending the adjudication on the court proceedings instituted on the properties.